How to make 3-layer photo trending on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create or make 3-layer photos that is going viral or trending on Instagram. So to make this or create this, what you need to do is that just you need to go to ChatGPT, click on the plus icon on the here, and then after clicking here, go to photo and then select the photo which you want to edit, which you want to make 3-layer. Okay, so let me just select one photo here. Hold on. So guys, I have selected this, and then you have to paste the prompt here. So this prompt will be available on my Telegram channel. That is, the link is in the description of this particular video. Just go to the channel and then you will get the prompt here. Copy this and then just send like this. Okay, and then hold on for some time. Your 3-layer trending photo will be available here. So here you can see we have successfully created this. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.